So here we are. We're about to enter the workshop of God's toy maker. What's up there, Chief?
All right, so I'm just going to tell you my story. A couple years ago, actually 3 years ago, I retired from teaching and had a building built on my property. Wanted to have a shop. Didn't know what I wanted to do with it. Wasn't sure. I knew I wanted to do woodworking. And so in the process of it being built, and then I wasn't really finishing the inside yet. One night, God gave me a vision of what He wanted me to do. So He basically woke me up in the middle of the night, and I heard this voice. It wasn't a voice audible, but it was just, hey, this is what I want you to do. So He said, I want you to create a 501c3 and build toys for missions for underserved kids. So then 2 weeks later, I had a dream that confirmed it, and here I am. We have the shop finished. The interior isn't totally finished. We still have some cabinetry to install, build, and some more workbenches. But we're just kind of slowly getting things going. So I'm excited to see what God has for the future. I know He called me to do this. It's kind of slower than what I wanted it to be. But my hope is, and my vision is that we can offer toys to both domestic and foreign, like missions or nonprofits that can serve kids and give them a toy that maybe they never had, or that kind of a thing. And so also so Jerry's been coming to help me work on some of the toys. And my friend Jim Potter comes sometimes. So I really want to get the shop set up so I can bring more people in to help volunteer building the toys. Also, I took a trip to Uganda last April and was able to bring 800 toys and distribute them to kids at different villages and different places, and that was pretty exciting. Planning on a trip back again, and some other missions trips I'm going to go on. I have some friends that are going on a mission trip. They want to bring some with them, so that's what we're kind of aiming for. Maybe contacting churches and saying this is what we have to offer. So I'm excited. God gave me skills and abilities, and He's allowing me to use those skills and abilities to serve Him and just touch people's lives with His love. So I'm so excited to see where He takes this.
Amen. And if you want more information, the website will be in the description. I'll give you more details, pictures, and upcoming events.
Thank you.